Hi, this is Patty. Welcome into my Southern kitchen. I'm getting ready to make some Creole cornbread dressing. So this is the chicken andouille sausage that I'm using. I'm using 5 of them, and I'm letting you see how I have diced them up, and I'll dice the others up just like that. I have a little butter in the pan, and I'm going to um, I'm going to fry my sausage a little, excuse me. And these are the seasonings that I've cut up: bell pepper, onion, celery, red pepper, green bell pepper, parsley, garlic, um, green onion as well. And once I get the sausage into the pan and get that all browned up, then I will add this to it. These are the seasonings that I'm using, and they are poultry seasoning, cream of chicken soup, cream of mushroom, Paul Prudhomme's magic poultry seasoning, a little bit of thyme, garlic, onion powder, parsley, paprika, Old Bay, basil, and these are the seasonings. And I put all of these dry seasonings in my cornbread. And my cornbread is in the oven. There it is. You can see it. Oh, my phone is getting fogged up. You can see it in the oven. And I'm going to take it out, crumble it up, and mix all of these things in with it. And I will come back to show you the end result. So I'll pause right here. This is my cornbread, and this is my chicken andouille sausage with all of the vegetables. And I put a little bit of vegetable stock in there. And this is my broth. And I have some drippings from the turkey as well. And I used the chicken base broth. So here it is, and I'll come back and show you when everything is done. I'll pause right here. Creole cornbread dressing mix is on its way to the oven. I added a little chopped up turkey in it, as well as the chicken andouille sausage with the other seasonings. So we will be right back. Here's that Creole dressing, cornbread dressing. It is so good. It has the chicken andouille sausage in it and some chopped up turkey. I added chopped up turkey to mine, along with all of the vegetables. It is really, really delicious. Okay, if you like my channel, please subscribe, share, follow, tell your friends and family about the channel. And I thank you so much. This is Patty from Patty's Southern Kitchen. Have a happy Thanksgiving.